how to use Bybit options trading for beginners. So to use Bybit options trading for beginner, head to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then find Bybit and download it to your device. Once you've downloaded, open the Bybit app, create your account, and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on Assets tab, what you can do is tap on Transfer. Now, if you have funds available in your account, you will be able to see a transfer option here on your screen. Just tap Transfer. Move your funds like USDT or BTC from your funding account to a unified trading account. Now convert those funds into USDC, as Bybit options use USDC for collateral and payouts. Now on the main menu, tap Derivatives. Select your crypto options from the drop-down list and look at the top of the screen and select your coin. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.